Hello, I am Eric Gibson, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial here on how to mint tokens using CCVault and also a Ledger Nano X. Just a quick tutorial. I'm just going to see if we can keep this real short. First of all, I am using this Fire token. It's a community token built on Cardano that just came out. I'm going to use that as an example. I really love this project. I would definitely recommend going to their website, firetokenada.com, and checking it out. So in order to get these tokens, and a lot of different projects are the same, they'll have instructions on how to get them. Here's a button that says Get Fire Tokens. So we'll click on that. And that takes us to these instructions here. So follow it to the T. Basically, it says here, send 5 ADA to the fire hose, which is like a faucet or a place where you send money and you get tokens back. You send ADA, get tokens back. And in this case, you get 1.45 ADA back and a random amount of fire tokens based on distribution. So in this case, we are currently still in phase 1, early bird token distribution. We should expect to see 40 to 50,000 fire tokens, which is a pretty huge amount considering that this is only 500 million tokens in the total supply. So a little further down now we have a QR code that we can scan if we're doing this mobile. If we're going to do it from a browser, we can just copy it here, which I just did. We also have a handle here for wallets that support handles. You can use that. And then also, just as a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes only. Do your own research and just only spend money or ADA that you are willing to lose. So without further ado, then we'll go into the actual CCVault wallet here. I've already set up a Ledger Nano X wallet. I'm not going to go into details on how to do that. So basically, I have other videos that show how to do that, and there's other information online out there. But basically, that's how it would look, is it would show up on the left panel here. And then we have our summary, and we click on send, and we want to enter that address in that we just copied. So that's one way to do it. If you're going to spam this over and over and get multiple tokens, sorry about that. All right, so if you're going to spam this address to get multiple tokens, another thing you can do with CCVault is go into settings for the wallet, go to address book, click on add receiver, enter a name. So let's call it fire hose. And then we'll enter in that address and hit add. And what that does is actually sets it up in the address book. So all we have to do is click it. And then we don't have to put a message in there. But the nice thing about the address book is it just allows you to save that address and use it for multiple transactions. Then we're going to put in our 5 ADA. You don't want to do any less or any more. Do exactly what it says. Otherwise, you may be donating your money and not get anything back. And then we'll go ahead and click next. And here's all of our information here. How much is actually going to be sent? This is the fees. Okay, great. Then we click on sign. It says device is locked. So this is my Ledger Nano X, and everything has to go through this device. This is like the gatekeeper. So if you don't have this, you can't do the transaction. And that's what makes this so secure. So I just unlocked it. And now I'm going to hit sign again. Now it's passing the commands over to my ledger. See, there's it basically just says start new transaction. So we're going to go ahead and click on yes. It's confirming the address, the ADA, the transaction fee, and then we're confirming that and we're sending. And so it should verify here pretty soon. There it says verified. It's very verbose, very nice. So you know exactly where you are in the process. Here's previous transactions. So this is the one that was just sent right here. And then previous ones, we got some fires in, we got some ADA back. Sometimes you'll see under the UTXO model, you'll get multiple multiple transactions and, well, multiple fire tokens in one transaction, which is what we're seeing right here. And that's basically it. So I thank you very much. And please, if you found this useful information, if you could click the subscribe button and the notifications, would really appreciate it if you could like it as well. So we'll talk to you later. Take care.